Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Run, and we have the latest earphones from Boult Audio, and this is the AirBass TrueBuds. And in this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of this product and sharing my opinion about the same. So let's get started. Well friends, we have this Boult Audio AirBass TrueBuds which comes with extra bass, and these are wireless earphones, and on the side we have some branding from different celebrities, and on the back we have additional details like this comes with 24 hours of playtime. Apart from that, it comes with 3 days of standby, HD sound, noise cancellation, call or music controls, Bluetooth 5.0 auto pair, both earbuds master, so basically they are not linked with each other, both work simultaneously, and you also get stereo calling and mic. Apart from that, if you look at the MRP, which is at 7,999, but then this is available on Amazon at a special pricing. The link is in the description in case you would like to know about the latest pricing, because by the time you're watching there might be a different price, so I don't want to commit the price. But then the last I checked, it was below 3,000 rupees. So let me quickly open up the seal, and it says don't accept if the seal is broken. So yeah, now I have broken it, but here we go. Once you open this up, first thing first, we have this section which is Boult Audio, and once you open this up, we have a bunch of things. First thing first, we have a warranty booklet, then we have the reading manual about this product. No, this is more of an advertisement booklet, and then this is the user manual which you get within this box. Following this, we have this little box here which calls itself the accessory box, and within this let's open this up, and within this we have a bunch of products, I guess. So first thing first, we have two pairs of extra earbuds, which is good enough, and then we have a Type-C cable of a very small size. So seems like now Type-C cables are pretty much standard on most of the products, and here is the Boult Audio's earbuds. As you can see, this is a small sized carrying case, which is a small sized, and if you talk about the physical overview of this is a very little one with a Type-C port on the back, and on the front we have a light indicator, though right now I guess the lights are off, but yes, now they are turned on. So this is how it works. And once you open this up, first thing first, does look like a decent build, though it just locks here and then you pull out, and this is how it works. And now this does look like a decent product, first thing first, in terms of the first impressions. And then here are the earbuds, and they are pretty small. I mean, in terms of the front part, this one does look large, but the branding on this one is pretty minimal. I would say you wouldn't notice that. And these are both the earbuds. This is something cool. First thing first, it has a mention of left and right, so that's about it. Moving on, these are the new earbuds, and first thing first, these are having a silicone head, which is something I generally prefer, as you guys know that, because comfort is something which I prefer first. After that, everything else comes in, and this is the right earbud which is clearly mentioned here. So that's the first impression, and these are probably mics, and this also works as a touch button, so that's something you should make a note of. So let me just start pairing these with my smartphone and show you more about these earbuds. So let me just quickly go to the settings on my smartphone and try to pair them, and it says Boult Audio TrueBuds. Yes, it's working. So guys, I have been playing some music on these. First thing first, in terms of the comfort, they are actually good, and it does have this nice feature where I would just tap once and it would pause the music this way, and tap again, it would resume the music. That's actually good. So the touch controls work great on this one. But then the bass, as mentioned on the box, which is like the extra bass, isn't really available. I mean, these do seem like regular earphones, but then overall the sound quality is actually very good. The sound experience is actually immersive, and you wouldn't feel that you're using a very budget centric earphones. So these are pretty decent earphone. I wouldn't say some of the best earphones available in the market, but then honestly speaking, I couldn't find any bass as marketed on the box. Like, it's not heavy bass, these are decent bass, AirBass TrueBuds, but then there are TrueBuds, no doubt about that, but they're not that great. Again, these are my early opinion about these new earphones from Boult audio, and they are pretty small size. That's one thing which I personally liked. Very lightweight and works very good. But then, as I mentioned earlier, they don't offer the bass which has been promised on the box. Again, these were my unboxing and my first impressions about the Boult audio AirBass TrueBuds. If you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up button and share, subscribe to Phone Rap for more videos. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.